Hello and thank you for viewing MIP's 1-Minute Tech Tip. Presented in front of us is a standard X-Duty CVD driveline. Assembly is quite simple, but some key details can be overlooked in the process. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Locate your drive hub and coupler barrel. Apply grease to both mating pieces as to prevent premature wear and insert barrel into yoke and keep the pinhole centered. Step 2. Apply grease to drive hub and insert hub into yoke. Step 3. Insert pin through the yoke, hub, and barrel as to lock all three pieces together. Make sure that the flat spot on the pin is visible through the coupler hole that has threads. Step 4. Apply conservative amount of thread lock to set screw. Locate threaded portion of coupler and screw down on the flat spot. Apply ample amount of force till it's secure and you're ready to rock. Simply install into your rig and enjoy the benefits of the super strong X-Duty system.